Today's video is all about something I honestly did not expect to see. Donald Trump now has his own mobile service. Yeah, you heard that right. It's literally called Trump Mobile. We've seen celebrity branded kind of everything at this point, but a full-on cell phone service, yeah, that's kind of a new one. And as somebody who's always curious about cell phone carriers and new wireless plans, I couldn't help myself. I had to check it out. I'm here to see what the sign up process looks like, how easy it is to get started, and what kind of features or pricing the service is offering. I'll take you through every step as I sign up, which will start from the Trump mobile website, and then I'll enter in my information to pick the plan. I'm just generally curious if this is a branded version of something else or an existing network or just something totally new. And I'm not quite sure if this will take 20 minutes or 5 days, and I have a vacation coming up, so we better get started pretty shortly. Hopefully I will not need the customer service either because they closed about 3 hours ago. So let's get started. Okay, so I've headed to trumpmobile.com. That's literally just what the website is, and here it says the 47 plan, which is only $47.45 per month. That's funny that they say only, because that's kind of a lot. Like, for unlimited talk, text, data, I mean, it doesn't even say really anything about like how much data you have. Free SIM kit, no contract, bring your own phone. I mean, no credit check. I guess I haven't realized that that can sometimes be a thing for phone plans, but it's not for this one, which is a plus, I guess. So I'm just gonna click activate a new line now. And if you scroll, it looks like they tell you a little bit about like how to activate and what to do. I've activated quite a few phone services, right? So choose your own device option. This is what we'll be doing. Choose your phone number, get a new number, keep your current number, contact your wireless provider to request a transfer pin. Okay, yeah, we're not doing that. We're gonna get a new number because there's no way I wanna transfer over my number into this service. Let's go to settings, general, and about, and then we will scroll down to IMEI. And I'm gonna scroll to the available SIM because I already have a SIM on my phone, so IMEI2. So I'll hold and copy that, and we don't need the transfer pin because I'm not transferring over a number. So yeah, they have unlimited talk, unlimited texting, unlimited data at the first 20 gigabytes. So for $50 a month, 20 gigabytes is actually, that's not really that great. That's kind of weak, actually. Join Trump Mobile. I'm sure what could go wrong, right? So let's autofill all my information in here. And then device IMEI, okay, that's what I copied earlier. So I'm gonna click this here and put in paste. Check my phone compatibility. The IMEI field format is invalid. What? Okay, so I had pasted it from the iPhone, which is like, okay, I'm never gonna manually type that in, right? I literally just pasted it, it said it's invalid. I had to manually delete every space, and now it says, congratulations, your phone network is your phone is compatible on our network, which that's great. Okay, select, do I want physical SIM or eSIM? Okay, so iPhones don't have physical SIMs anymore, and I'm pretty sure this is only compatible on an iPhone, I think. So, I mean, yeah, you're basically always going to be checking, yes, I want eSIM. So let's click that. Do you want to keep your phone number? Yes, I want to port in my number. No, I want a new phone number. That's what I want, a new phone number. Here we go. Okay, plan price, $47.45. The telecom tax, oh my God, $11.85. So is that per month, or is that like just a one-time charge? Because jumping from $47.45 to $59, that's a big jump. Wow, holy cow. Like, usually these MVNO type plans have their prices included in the tax, so it's like what you see is what you pay, but that is not the case here. Okay, so credit card number. I am going to use, for the first time ever actually, I'm going to use my Apple card and enter in the number because I don't really feel comfortable with entering in a different credit card. So I'm gonna enter in my Apple credit card information. Okay, I've entered in my credit card information. Now we're gonna scroll to the bottom, and it says there's a few boxes to check for some reason. So by checking this box, you confirm the E9, you authorize T1 Mobile to charge your card on a recurring basis. Ooh boy. However, you can cancel service at any time to stop future billings. We implement appropriate security measures to protect your personal information. All data. Okay, let's go. Let's just check that. I acknowledge by creating my account, logging into Trump Mobile. Yes, I will check that. Let's see what happens. Is it going to work the first time? Okay, so I entered in this information already, and now it says please provide a valid credit card number. I'm assuming this is the same thing where I copied it from the Apple Wallet app and pasted it in, but it had spaces. So I'm assuming that I need to type it without the spaces. So let's go back here and copy and then paste, but I have to delete the spaces because they didn't put like a trim function on this for some reason. Oh, it's not working. Why is it not working? All right, I've entered everything again. Let's click complete order, and it didn't work again. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Oh, the state field. I didn't select my state. Okay, that seems maybe kind of important. Okay, I entered it again, but I actually clicked my state. So let's see if this works. Hey, congrats, it worked. I'm now $60 less rich. That's great. Okay, let's click activate now. It says please be patient. This might take a while. I bet it does. I wonder how long is a while though? Like a while, like 2 minutes, or a while like 5 days, because that's a big difference. That actually only took like a couple of minutes, so not terrible. Congrats. Thank you for purchasing. You'll receive the order, and then here's my number, which is great, so you can all steal my phone information. Your SIM card has been successfully activated. No, it hasn't, because we haven't actually activated anything yet. Like there's nothing that came up to activate it. So this part's kind of funny. It says, please scan the QR code with the camera of the phone you would like to add this number to. Well, I'm currently using the phone, so I can't scan the QR code with my phone because I'm using the phone. So I'm gonna try to take a screenshot, and then let's go into settings here. And hopefully the recognition thing works in the bottom right. Yes, it does. Click that. Okay, let's see. Let's click the QR code. Okay, add eSIM. So if you were trying to activate and you're like, oh, how do I scan this? Well, that's a way to do it. I clicked the little text read thing in the bottom right there on the photo. Hold out the QR code, add eSIM. Activate new eSIM. This is pretty exciting stuff. Okay. Connecting to your carrier. Your eSIM is ready to activate. Let's click continue. Wow, honestly, that only took like a minute, or maybe not even a minute. So that's pretty great. Cellular setup complete. Your carrier eSIM is now active. Okay, sweet. So yeah, it does say, it says Trump in the top left. Okay, well, it looks like we did it, and I'm actually quite surprised that that did not take that long. So let's go back into here and let's see what kind of things appear in the settings. Like I'm curious what you could kind of change about it. Okay, so I closed, and now I have no way, I think, to get back into it. Log into my account. Yeah, I think I need to do that. Okay, well, email. I entered my email, but I never entered a password yet, so I'm curious. Like, let me go to my email. Actually, I saw that they texted me. Welcome to Trump Mobile. Thank you. That's such a nice message, although I don't actually see, like, how do I get login information? Okay, activation confirmation. Okay, so I never created an account. So my question is, how do I cancel? Because I want to activate it and see it, but I don't want to have a recurring subscription. I'm assuming I go back to the website. Usually you have to like create an account first. Password, I'm just gonna click forgot password. Oh, that's funny. The emails went to the junk folder. Okay, yeah, go to login. Go to login. Okay, so I typed in my email. Now let's try to log in. Man, this is a lot of work. Account, welcome back. No, this is my first time here, so I'm not really back, but you can activate your line, port in your number, and add another line, or check your account using the menu on the left. I just want to see what options are in here. So activate line, port in instructions, how to activate your SIM card account. Okay, my info is in here, and there is no way to cancel so how do you cancel it? Like after you, like I'm signed up, right? They have my info. I saw a credit card charge, but I can't cancel. To cancel it, you need to contact customer service. All right, well, I guess it looks like I'll be doing that tomorrow then. Okay, and now it's the next day, as you can probably tell because I changed my shirt, but we're going to see if we can cancel Trump Mobile. And how easy is it? Is a gym membership easier or not? I mean, I want to know how difficult it is to cancel, and I can't do it on the website, so I need to call their support. So here we go.
Thank you for calling Trump Mobile. Your call is very important to us. To ensure the highest level of customer care, this call may be recorded for quality control and training purposes. If you are calling to sign up for Trump Mobile, please visit our website at www.trumpmobile.com. For any other questions, please hold, and our next available representative will be with you shortly.
Wonder how long shortly is.
Thank you for calling. How can I assist you?
Hi, I set up a Trump Mobile account. I just want to try it out for the month though, so I would like to turn off my recurring billing.
Okay, so you said you want to try it for a month?
Yeah, I already signed up.
Okay, so when you say you signed up, did you sign up to get a physical SIM card or an eSIM?
It's a eSIM. It's active on my phone right now.
Okay, so what do you need assistance with? Like, is it activated and working?
Yeah, it's working, but I just wanted to try it out for the month, and I don't see a way in the settings app or on the website to actually like turn off the recurring subscription.
I don't know if there is a way to turn off the recurring subscription. If you give me a moment, let me find out for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, and hold on.
I muted it. There's not a way to turn off the recurring subscription? Is that what she said? Okay.
All right, sir. Thank you for holding. So I would need to give you an email address so you can go ahead and email them to have them turn off the reoccurring for your payments.
Oh, okay.
Let me know when you're ready for that email address.
All right. What is that email?
It's care, C-A-R-E, @trumpmobile.com. And just let them know that you already have service. You just want to do a trial error for a month, and you want to take it off of the reoccurring.
Okay, that sounds good. I will email that then.
All right. Was there anything else I could do for you today?
No, that was it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling Trump
Okay.
Mobile. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Okay. All right, so I guess now I have to actually email this number. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and then while I'm editing this video, I'm sure I'll probably get a response to the email. So cool. And I am going to email them and send that, and then I'll probably put on the screen somewhere like over here what they actually say to me, and let's see if I can get that deactivated. Let's say, I'll be honest, okay, they obviously do this by design. They don't want it to be easy to cancel, which is why I would highly recommend you use a credit card where you can like reset the number, or maybe you have like a virtual card number or something, just so you can easily get out of it, because having to contact support to end the service is kind of a little bit unfortunate. Anyway, that's been my experience with Trump Mobile. I just wanted to sign up for the service. I tested it out a little bit last night, and I mean, I got data, it loaded, it seems like it's working, so yeah, I don't know, I'm probably not going to keep it obviously, but it's kind of fun to mess around with and fun to test. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. I need all the support I can, and I appreciate it. I gotta, make up for that $60 I lost. So if you're looking for different cell phone carriers, definitely probably better, more affordable options, I'll leave that in the description down below in the top pinned comment so you can check it out for yourself. Otherwise, I hope your day is as pleasant as you are. This has been Riley with the Riley Reform channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.